Modern NEFF dishwashers from 2023 to 2025 feature advanced smart connectivity and diagnostic capabilities that make troubleshooting much easier than ever before. These dishwashers include Home Connect app integration for remote diagnostics, enhanced error detection systems, self-diagnostic capabilities, and remote troubleshooting support through your smartphone. Understanding the different reset methods available is crucial for resolving common dishwasher issues effectively. There are 4 main reset methods available. Soft reset uses power cycling and is the most common approach. Hard reset restores factory settings for complete restoration. Selective reset targets specific fault codes for precise troubleshooting. App-based reset works with Home Connect models for remote diagnostics. Understanding fault codes is essential for effective troubleshooting. NEFF dishwashers use a systematic coding system to identify specific problems. Fault codes are organized into 5 main categories. E01 through E09 indicate water supply and drainage issues. E10 through E19 relate to heating system problems. E20 through E29 signal pump and motor malfunctions. E30 through E39 point to door and latch problems. E40 through E49 indicate sensor and electronic issues. Understanding the physical components helps identify which fault codes might apply to your specific issue. Key components include the water inlet valve, which relates to E01 through E09 codes, and the door latch mechanism, associated with E30 through E39 codes. Statistics show that 82% of dishwasher issues can be resolved through proper reset procedures, with drainage problems being the most common at 34% of all cases. Understanding these reset methods and fault codes provides the foundation for effective dishwasher troubleshooting and maintenance. The most reliable and universal reset method for NEFF dishwashers is the basic power reset. This method works for virtually all models and resolves most common operational issues. Step 1. Turn off your dishwasher completely and unplug it from the power source. This ensures all electrical components are fully disconnected. Step 2. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows internal capacitors to fully discharge and ensures a complete system reset. Step 3. Reconnect the power and restart your dishwasher. Run a short test cycle to verify the reset was successful. The second method uses button combinations on your dishwasher's control panel. This is faster than a power reset and works well for minor software glitches. For most NEFF models, hold the start and reset buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the display change when the reset is successful. Alternative button combination: hold program and start buttons together. This works on some older NEFF models that don't have a dedicated reset button. The factory reset is the most comprehensive option, returning your dishwasher to its original settings. Use this when other methods haven't resolved the issue. First, ensure your dishwasher is completely empty and the door is closed. This prevents any interference during the reset process. Next, press and hold the start button while turning on the power. Continue holding the start button for 10 to 15 seconds. When the display shows 00, release the start button and wait for the system to initialize. Your dishwasher has now been reset to factory settings. These reset procedures resolve approximately 82% of common dishwasher issues. Start with the basic power reset, then try button combinations and use factory reset only when necessary.